Now, in time and work, we are discussing man leaving and joining concept. Okay. And the question is A completes a work in 18 days, B completes the same work in 15 days. B started working alone and after 10 days he left. How many days A alone can complete the remaining work? It's nothing but A equal to complete the work in 18 days, B can complete the work in 15 days. Now we need to find out the LCM of 18 and 15. What is the LCM of 18 and 15 will be equal to 90 units. A is doing 90 units of work in 18 days and the efficiency of A equal to in 18 table 90 we are getting 5 times, in 15 table 90 we are getting 6 times. So, and the question is B started working alone. After 10 days, he left. So B started the work alone. So 1 day work of B equal to 6 units per day. 6 units per day. And he worked for 10 days. So 1 day equal to 6 units. 10 days equal to 6 tens are 60 units. Total equal to 90 units. Then the remaining work equal to 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60 equal to 30 units. This 30 units is done by A alone. A alone equal to remaining work by efficiency of A. Remaining work equal to 30. Efficiency of A equal to 5. So number of days equal to 6 days. A alone can complete the remaining work equal to 6 days. A and B can complete a work in 5 days, 15 days respectively. They both work for 1 day and then A leaves. How many days will B take to complete the remaining work? A equal to 5 days, B equal to 15 days. LCM of 5 comma 15 equal to 15 units. A can complete 15 units of work in 5 days and the efficiency of A will be equal to 5 threes are 15, 15 ones are 15. And A plus B 1 day work equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4 units per day. Both A and B work for 1 day. Both A and B work for 1 day. 1 day equal to 4 units. Total work equal to 15 units. Then the remaining work equal to 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 equal to 11 units. This 11 units has to be completed by B alone. B alone equal to remaining work by efficiency of B. Remaining work equal to 11. Efficiency of B equal to 1. 11 by 1 equal to 11 days. B alone can complete the work. Remaining work equal to 11 days. A can do a piece of work in 25 days and B can do a work in 20 days. They work together for 5 days and then A goes away. In how many days will B finish the remaining work? In the sense, we need to take the LCM of 25 and 20. LCM of 25 comma 20 will be equal to 100 units and the efficiency of A equal to in 25 table 100 equal to 4 times, in 20 table 100 equal to 5 times. So efficiency of A and B equal to 4 plus 5 equal to 9 units per day. They work for how many days in the sense? 5 days. So 9 5s are 45. So total work equal to 100. Then the remaining work equal to 100 minus 45. 100 minus 45 equal to 55. This 55 units has to be completed by B alone. B efficiency equal to 5, remaining work equal to 55. So B equal to 55 by efficiency of B equal to 5. 55 by 5 equal to 11 days. In 11 days, B alone can complete the remaining work. A and B can do the job in 16 days, 12 days respectively. A equal to 16 days, B equal to 12 days. B started the work alone 4 days before finishing the job. A joins B. How many days has B work alone? So LCM of 16 comma 12. What is the LCM of 16 comma 12? 48. So total work will be equal to 48 units. A is doing 48 units of work in 16 days. B is doing 48 units of work in 12 days. So efficiency of A equal to in 16 table 48 3 times, in 12 table 48 4 times. So what is given? B started the work alone. How many days he worked? We don't know. But when the work is completed in 4 days, A and B together work for 4 days. A and B together work for 4 days. So A plus B equal to 7 units. 4 days equal to 4 into 7, 28. So A and B together work for 28. And the remaining work, whatever the remaining work, this is completed by B alone. So what is the remaining work? 48 minus 28 equal to 20. So B alone equal to, so remaining work 20, efficiency of B equal to 4, 20 by 4 equal to 5 days. A and B together can complete the total work in 60 days. They started and worked for 20 days. After that, A left from the work and remaining work finished by B alone in 50 days. In how many days? B alone can complete the total work. A and B together equal to 60 days. Together equal to 60 days. They started the work. How much work they work in the sense 20 days of work. 20 days they work. In the sense how much work it is completed. So that will be equal to 20 days by total work. 20 by 60 is equal to 1/3 of work is completed in 20 days. 1/3 of work is completed in 20 days. And the remaining work, what is the remaining work? 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. This 2 by 3 work is completed by in B alone equal to 50 days. So total parts equal to 3 and the remaining parts equal to 2 parts. 2 parts equal to 50 days where 1 part equal to 25 days. So total equal to 3 parts equal to 75 days. B alone can complete 3 parts equal to 75 days. A and B together equal to 30 days. B and C together will be equal to 24 days. C and A together equal to 20 days. If they all work together for 10 days, when B and C left, how many days more A take to finish the work? So we need to take the LCM of 30 comma 24 comma 20. So LCM of 30 comma 24 comma 20 will be equal to 120 units. So and the efficiency will be equal to in 3 table 12 4 times, in 24 table 120 equal to 5 times, in 20 table 120 equal to 6 times. So 2 times of A plus B plus C equal to 10 plus 5 equal to 15. When 2 times of A plus B plus C is working, 15 units is work is completed where 1 time is completed. So that will be equal to 15 by 2. 15 by 2 equal to 7.5 units per day. They work for how many days? 10 days of work. 10 days will be equal to 7.5 into 10 is equal to 75 units. Out of 120, 75 units is completed, then the remaining work equal to 120 minus 75. So when compared to 100, so 175 is less compared to 100 is 25. So 120 is when compared to 20, 20, 25 plus 20 equal to 45. So this remaining work is completed by A alone. So where A plus B plus C equal to 7.5, where A alone will be equal to A plus B plus C equal to 7.5. We need to get A, in the sense we need to subtract B plus C, where B plus C equal to 5 and A equal to 7.5 minus 5 equal to 2.5. Efficiency of A equal to 2.5 units. Total number of days equal to remaining work 45 by efficiency of A 2.5. So this will be equal to 450 by 25. In 25 table 450, 25 ones are 25, remaining is 200. So that will be equal to 18 days. So remaining work, how many days more A take to finish the work, in the sense 18 days of work.